Hi friends,
Hi friends.
how are you kids?
Fine.
Yes, you very recently celebrated your birthday. We had unboxed the gift which Ian received, right? It was a rock crawler, okay? And you can find the link to that video here. Okay. And now today it's a day when we unbox Ivy's present, right? Okay, are you excited, Ivy? What did you get? Can you show us? Wow, it's a 13 in 1 educational solar robot. Shall we go ahead unboxing it? Alright kids, I have removed the plastic cover and also cut out the cellophane tape. So can you open and see what's there inside? And Ivy, you can take the lead, it's your present. No, Ian can help of course. Yes. Oh wow. So what I see is that you have these elements which can be disconnected, and then I guess you have to assemble them. There are lots of elements, so that we'll come to know once we have a look at the manual. And can you show that other pack, Ian? What's there inside? Let me just see without opening. So there seems to be a solar panel here. Yeah. Then there are some gears. Maybe there's a motor. I do not know whether there is a motor. There is a electrical connector, so there has to be a motor or something. But then when we remove it, we'll be able to see more. And then there's a manual. And kids, I think you are familiar with this kind of stuff, right? You have worked on SmartTVT. So you just have to remove the elements which are there in this set and assemble them as per this manual. Alright. So kids, we have about 13 robots to make out of this. Are you excited for that? Great. Let's also open up each packet and see what's there inside. Ian, can you open that packet first? Yeah, anyone. And Ivy, you can open the other one. And just make sure that you do not spill the content, because I think in the packet which Ian has, there are lots of small components, and if they go missing, then we won't be able to make many models. Okay. So yes, this is the solar panel, and it has connections or the connecting terminals already soldered onto the panel. I believe we just have to plug in the connectors. Okay. I do not know what this is. I think you will have to figure it out once you open the manuals. Yes. These are some of the stickers for your graphics on the models that you make. Can you just show that one? Yes, that's the one I'm interested in. There's a small motor. I think it's a poreless motor. Yeah.
This is for the
And right. And it has a wire connected to it. Anyway, I have not gone through the manual, and it will be the kids who will be doing the projects. I may help them out with the electrical connections at some point, but friends, just stay tuned for more videos on this. We'll have many more videos assembling each of these models. Right kids? Then are you excited? So friends, if you like the video, please press the like button, press the subscribe button down below, and press the bell icon to get instant notification of new videos. Share our videos with your friends to share your love. Thanks for watching, and bye.